Fasting has been used therapeutically since ancient times. All religion and caste people doing fasting. From Vedic time, various peoples and sages do torture their body by fasting to know about the truth and the liberation. In different parts of our Indian culture like Ayurveda, naturopathy clearly describe about this fasting. From Vedic time, people adapt this fasting technique to know about the truth. The best example is Siddhartha Gautam, who left his house at young age and went to the forest, do fasting for a long days for the search of peace, truth and nirvana, the ultimate higher spiritual state. Namaskar, welcome back to Sumikaya Kalpam. Today I am going to share with you few importance of fasting and why we will go for this fasting. So keep on watching this video till the end so that you will understand what is the importance of fasting. In our Indian culture, people are habituated to go for fasting every month twice. One is Sankranti and another is Ekadasi. But yet many people having a very wrong idea about this fasting. Many people are doing fasting to please various devas, devis to get some materialistic benefits like benefits and improvement in their business, to get improvement the study in their for their kids, and many girls in India doing fasting on Monday and Friday to get a good groom. But the actual aim of fasting is not that. Actually, it has some other benefits, like it has a benefit of mental, physical, spiritual and emotional level. The main objective of fasting is to purify one in mentally and also in physical level. The main objective is to self-purification, self-alignment, self-assessment by purifying the body, mind, mentally, physically, emotionally, psychologically. Purification in the thoughts, deeds and words. If you are going in a proper way of fasting, if you are doing the fasting in a proper way, then we will get all these benefits instead of that materialistic benefit, that is the peripheral benefit of fasting. Fasting can purify our body and it increases the keto bodies, that prevents the protein loss of our muscles, and it increases the mental and physical capacity, that increases the working ability of the kidney. The keto bodies stimulate the growth hormone and also it is very good for them, those who are borderline diabetic patients. The right way of fasting improve and develop our mental and physical capacity. It also having control over the Alzheimer's condition of the brain, increases mental and thinking skill. In various parts of our Indian culture, it is very nicely described about the fasting and how it is effective for curing various disorders. It not only help to mental and physical development but also boost our mood. Sometimes when we find our mood become changed and we are feeling frustrated and depressed, you can go for fasting and you will find a drastic change in your mood that will help to increase your mood, helps to feel happy, peaceful, and we can experience that eternal peace also after fasting and while doing the fasting. It also decreases our weight in a very natural and effective way. If you are going for fasting every 15 days, then that will increases the keto bodies and increases the mental and physical capacity, increases the brain capacity, and it also increases the neuropathic factors of the brain, increasing our memories, our concentration. Fasting not only have a very good impact upon our different mental disorder, it also controlling various inflammations, especially cancer like inflammations. By controlling over inflammations, it increases the capacities of the organs and systems and increases our work efficiency. That work efficiency definitely help us to get very good improvement in our profession. Sleeplessness is an inflammatory disorder, so by fasting you can very easily overcome that sleeplessness disorder. Also, ketosis increases our antioxidant effect and inside the body. So that antioxidant can helps to increase our metabolism, boost our immunity, and DNA repairing capacity also increases by these antioxidants, and our body can heal itself naturally. The glowiness of the skin can be maintained very easily, and it will glow naturally. All organs and systems working in a very effective way by coordinating with each other, helping to increase their efficiency. All systems and organs can coordinate with each other and working in a very efficient way, and simultaneously the autophagic mechanism of the body becomes strong, and it helps in repairing damaged tissues, helps to formation of new tissues. It also makes relax various systems and organs, especially the digestive systems, especially the intestine and the liver get very good rest, and that also helps our body to adopt the best nutrition, and metabolism becomes strong and faster. That also prevent atherosclerosis, that will prevent our body from various heart and kidney related disorders. Simultaneously, there is another very effective benefit and very I think very common it's for us, that during fasting there is no need to move to the market to purchase various ingredients to prepare various items in different meals. So we are saving our energy, then money and time. So during the day of fasting, no need of preparation of any food. We are adopting raw fresh vegetables. So this way we can save our money, time and energy. One more important point is there, during the fasting day, if you are moving out, generally we are habituated to have snacks and tea outside, but during the fasting days our mind deny us to have any kind of food outside. So itself it has a very good control over our brain, our thoughts, and it increases our willpower and navigate our brain in the right direction, and our brain can able to find out what is good for us and what need to do for the development of our own and for the society. So this way fasting have a lot of benefits, and in a glance I just present few points. So this is all about the benefits of fasting. I hope it will be very beneficial for you, and I wish you all should go for 15 days fasting in a month. And for such type of videos, please subscribe my channel, watch my videos. Don't hesitate to subscribe it, don't hesitate to write your comments and suggestion. It is very valuable for me. I'll come with another video regarding how to do fasting and what to eat during fasting. Till then, take care of yours, keep smiling, stay healthy, stay safe. See you soon. Namaskar.